In this video we're working on a 1978 Z50, and this one supposedly doesn't have any spark. So in order to do that, we got to pull off this cover, and well, it's probably got more problems than that, but for right now we got to get it to get some spark. So we're going to pull the spark plug and fix a few things. Looks like he's already been in it. Definitely got the wrong spark plug cap on there, so we got to put some good parts on there. And we're going to remove this cover here to get to the flywheel and see what we got. There we go. Looks like it's cracked and full of garbage. We got the cover off. We're going to shine in here, and there's the points. And yeah, they look pretty dirty. There's a fire mark, and there's the thing. So pulled off the seat in the tank. We're going to remove this connector so we can test the resistance across the points. It's located right there. First, we're going to blow any dust and dirt out of here. There goes some stuff. We're going to watch through this hole and rotate it till the point's open. We're going to grab some carburetor cleaner and just get any oil and grease off of there. And blow that out. This is a continuity tester, and when it connects, a light comes on. So we're going to look for the black wire, and we're going to connect that to it. And then we're just going to ground this. Okay, we're going to rotate this engine around. And when it fires, the points will open and this will dim, meaning that we're measuring across the magneto coil. So this tells me that they aren't closing. Oh, there it goes. Watch the dimness of the light. Right there. So what we're doing, I don't know if you can see that, we're going to see if we can get a little better angle on this. There, with a better angle on it. The fire mark's right there. We're going to hook up our battery powered thing and watch. When the bike actually fires, the light will dim. And we can see that the points are off a little bit. So we're going to adjust them. Get on there. See how it dims? And the fire mark's well past it, so we need to adjust the points so it happens right here at this point. We're going to set this on the fire mark. We're going to loosen up the points, and we're going to, with the F mark lined up, we're going to move these points around. There. The change in the light is very subtle. You might not be able to see it, but in real life you can. Now we're gonna and we're pretty close. And that's all there is to setting the points on those. Now we put the cover back on and assemble it and We got a few other things to fix. Put in a new spark plug and a new spark plug cap. We should be good to go. Alright, let's see if this thing's gonna run. There's the fuel. Got it running. Sounds good. Leave a comment below. Like it. Share it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.